Hello and welcome to Stained Glass Gaming, where I turn video games into glass. This is another viewer request, the classic PlayStation logo. Had I known it was the 25th anniversary on December 3rd, 2019, I would have made this video sooner. I don't own any PlayStation consoles, but I have played on all of them. This time, I am making two logos because I am sending one to someone as a gift. The reason I made them big is because of these two pieces. As I've mentioned numerous times before, I dislike tiny pieces. They are a pain to work with. I am making the pieces that go in between the P and S pieces because I am worried that the glass, specifically the P, would break without support. The glass I am using is all opaque fusing glass because these colors exactly match the logo. I apologize about the lighting. I had to travel for the holidays and had to record without my usual setup. The next several videos will look a little different during the grinding, foiling, and soldering parts. During the grinding, I got a little overzealous and overground some pieces. Specifically, the black glass that goes between the P. The glass is supposed to reach the bottom part of the S, but it doesn't on one of the logos. Nothing I can do about it now. Oh well. I blame it on not being in my usual room. There are also several large gaps that I had to fill with copper wire for the solder to not constantly fall through the gaps. I had more footage of the soldering, but the file became corrupted and I lost it. I'll be turning both black as usual. Aside from the fitting problems, these both turned out really nice. The next video will be the 100 subscriber special, and it has been the most challenging thing I've made yet. Pretty fitting, I'd say, for celebrating 100 subs since I started uploading these stained glass videos. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you would like to see me make down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all through the next pane.